Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Welcome to the ultimate guide to mindfulness, mastering inner peace. In today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace can seem like an elusive goal. However, with the practice of mindfulness, you can learn to cultivate a sense of calm and tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. By focusing on the present moment, you can let go of worries about the past or future, and instead, experience a sense of peace and contentment in the here and now. Mastering mindfulness is essential for achieving inner peace as it allows you to quiet the noise of your mind and connect with your inner self. By developing a mindful awareness, you can better manage stress, anxiety, and negative emotions, leading to a greater sense of well-being and happiness. In this video, we will guide you through the principles and techniques of mindfulness, helping you to cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and inner peace. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can expect to experience improved focus, reduced stress, enhanced emotional regulation, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Join us on this journey to mastering mindfulness and discover the transformative power it can have on your life. Get ready to unlock a new level of inner peace and contentment like never before. Understanding mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of intentionally focusing on the present moment with an open and non-judgmental attitude. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the environment around you. By cultivating mindfulness, you can develop a greater sense of self-awareness, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. In daily life, mindfulness plays a crucial role in helping individuals cope with stress, anxiety, and other mental health challenges. By being fully present in the moment, you can reduce rumination on past events or worries about the future, leading to a calmer and more centered state of mind. Mindfulness also allows you to observe your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them, fostering a sense of detachment and perspective. The practice of mindfulness has been linked to numerous mental health benefits, including reduced anxiety, depression, and stress levels. Research has shown that regular mindfulness practice can improve attention, memory, and cognitive flexibility, leading to enhanced overall mental well-being. For beginners looking to incorporate mindfulness into their daily routine, there are several simple practices to try. These include mindful breathing exercises, body scans, and guided meditations. By starting with just a few minutes of mindfulness practice each day, you can gradually build your awareness and presence, setting the foundation for a more peaceful and balanced life. Practical techniques for mindfulness. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routines doesn't have to be complicated. There are simple yet effective techniques that you can practice to cultivate a sense of presence and inner peace in your everyday life. One of the most accessible mindfulness techniques is breathing exercises. By focusing on your breath, you can anchor yourself in the present moment and promote relaxation and focus. Try taking slow, deep breaths, paying attention to the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. You can also practice mindful breathing by counting your breaths or focusing on the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Mindful meditation is another powerful technique for developing mindfulness. Find a quiet and comfortable space, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath or a specific point of focus. Allow thoughts to come and go without judgment, gently guiding your attention back to the present moment whenever your mind wanders. Regular meditation practice can help you cultivate a sense of calm, clarity, and emotional balance. Staying present and mindful amidst daily challenges can be challenging, but with practice, it becomes easier. When faced with stress or difficult emotions, try to pause and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Practice self-compassion and acceptance, acknowledging your feelings without getting swept away by them. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as going for a walk in nature, practicing yoga, or spending time with loved ones. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily life, you can navigate challenges with greater ease and cultivate a deeper sense of peace and well-being. Cultivating inner peace. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace and emotional balance in our lives. By practicing mindfulness, we can develop a deeper sense of self-awareness, acceptance, and compassion, leading to a greater sense of inner peace and well-being. The relationship between mindfulness and inner peace lies in the practice of being fully present in the moment and accepting things as they are without judgment. When we cultivate mindfulness, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with greater clarity and equanimity. This sense of presence and acceptance can help us find peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Managing stress and negative emotions through mindfulness involves bringing awareness to our thoughts and feelings in a non-reactive way. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to recognize when we are feeling overwhelmed or anxious and take steps to calm our minds and bodies. Techniques such as deep breathing, body scans, and loving-kindness meditations can help us regulate our emotions and find a sense of balance and peace. Self-reflection and acceptance are essential tools for cultivating inner peace. By taking time to reflect on our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, we can gain insight into our inner world and make positive changes. Practicing self-compassion and acceptance allows us to embrace our imperfections and vulnerabilities, fostering a sense of inner peace and self-love. Through mindfulness, self-reflection, and acceptance, we can cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and emotional balance that enriches our lives and relationships. Mindful living. Mindfulness is not just a practice, it's a way of life that can transform how we approach relationships, work, and daily interactions, leading to sustained inner peace and well-being. By applying mindfulness to various aspects of our lives, we can cultivate a deeper sense of presence, connection, and fulfillment. In relationships, mindfulness plays a crucial role in fostering understanding, empathy, and communication. By being fully present with our loved ones, we can listen more attentively, respond with compassion, and cultivate deeper connections. Mindful communication involves active listening, non-judgmental responses, and a genuine curiosity about the other person's experiences and feelings. In the workplace, mindfulness can help us navigate stress, deadlines, and interpersonal dynamics with greater ease and clarity. By bringing mindfulness to our work, we can enhance focus, creativity, and productivity while reducing feelings of overwhelm and burnout. Strategies such as taking short mindfulness breaks, setting boundaries, and practicing gratitude can help us maintain mindfulness in a fast-paced work environment. In daily interactions, mindfulness can transform mundane moments into opportunities for presence and connection. By bringing awareness to simple tasks like eating, walking, or driving, we can savor the present moment and cultivate a sense of gratitude and joy. Mindful living involves slowing down, tuning into our senses, and appreciating the beauty and richness of each moment. Self-care and compassion are essential components of mindful living. By prioritizing self-care practices such as meditation, exercise, and relaxation, we can nurture our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Cultivating self-compassion involves treating ourselves with kindness, understanding, and acceptance, even in moments of struggle or difficulty. By embracing self-care and compassion, we can sustain inner peace and resilience in the face of life's challenges and uncertainties. In The Ultimate Guide to Mindfulness, Mastering Inner Peace, we have explored the transformative power of mindfulness in achieving inner peace and emotional balance. By incorporating mindfulness into our daily lives, we can cultivate a deeper sense of presence, self-awareness, and well-being that enriches every aspect of our existence. Throughout this guide, we have highlighted the numerous benefits of mindfulness for achieving inner peace. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing focus and emotional regulation, mindfulness offers a pathway to greater peace, clarity, and contentment in our lives. By practicing mindfulness regularly, we can experience improved mental health, relationships, and overall quality of life. We encourage you to make mindfulness a regular part of your daily routine for long-term well-being and inner peace. Whether through breathing exercises, meditation practices, or mindful living strategies, taking time to cultivate mindfulness can have a profound impact on your mental, emotional, and physical health. We invite you to continue your mindfulness journey by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from the practice of mindfulness. Together, let's create a community of mindful individuals dedicated to cultivating inner peace, compassion, and joy in our lives and the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey towards mastering inner peace through mindfulness.